Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that reads that the program cannot start because the D3 compiler underscore 43.dll is missing from your computer. Try reinstalling program to fix this problem. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice, doesn't really matter which one, and into Google you want to search for DirectX End User Runtime. One of the best results should be from a Microsoft domain, so again directly from Microsoft.com. Go ahead and select the DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer, and then select the language, select the correct language in here, and then download. Go ahead and open up that file. It should be a verified publisher here, Microsoft Corporation. Select yes. And now select the I accept the agreement and then next. And we're going to uncheck the option to install the Bing bar. Select next again. Select next. Once that is finished, select finish. And you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Once you're back into Windows, hopefully your issues should have been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.